guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us Christmas character. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's it's the Among Us crew, the mini crewmate basically, and that's going to have like a Christmas twist to it with a hat. Super simple stuff, really easy. If you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. Okay, if you're totally starters, easy because I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, in only 8 minutes. Okay, it's an 8-minute video, so pretty much it. Let's get started. All right. Whew. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you're into learning to draw, if you're into these short videos, like these 8-minute videos, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification so it lets you know what I'm going to draw that day, because I draw everything under the sun. It can be Godzilla, it can be Pokemon one day, it can be Spider-Man, Among Us, Roblox, anything. So definitely subscribe right now if you can. Thank you so much. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the bottom part of the viewport. And that is a like a circle. We're going to leave it a little bit open because he's going to have a Christmas hat getting in the way. But that's the biggest difference between a mini crewmate and, an adult crewmate, right? It's the, excuse me. It's a little late here. The viewport is round on the mini, right? And on the other one, it's more like a pillow shape. It's more like long. So that's the biggest difference right off the bat. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna put actually the hat on him. So I'm gonna go here, curve, 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 curve right here. Curve right here. Curve right here. Curve right here. So it looks like there's a fluffy cloud sitting on his head. It's just the beginning of a hat. But you can see that. That's the brim of the Santa hat. Gonna go over here, curve back, down. The mini crewmate tends to be like sitting down, so that's kind of what we're gonna do. Is we're gonna draw him sitting down, just chilling out. Line underneath, curve, line right here downward for the front of the body. Going over here, and I'm going to pull straight out, curve down, straight out, curve down. And now we're going to draw a line from here to here, really just kind of bringing the foot into everything. Going over here, out. Line over here, out. We're marking where the backpack is going to go because the backpack is, something I want to do. And I'm kind of marking that out. Curve down. And let's go into the hat, okay? Gonna pull out, down, over here. Hat's gonna be pretty long. I kind of like it that way. Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't get much sleep last night. I don't know why. Curve line here. And let's go to the bottom here. Connect that hat back up. That ball at the end, and that's going to be like a popcorn ball. I use that phrase. Looks like a popcorn ball at the end. Let's go over here. Maybe he's going to have like a candy cane in his other hand, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to draw a curved line here. Line out. And then right behind there, we're going to give that candy cane thickness, you know. And now we're going to draw the stripes on the candy cane. Curve, 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 curve here, right here. All right, it's going to go in here. Curve upward, like so. And that's going to be for the reflection that you see. Or we're trying to get a reflective look. I might even thicken it up in the center here. And then circle over here on this side. Gonna thicken up some lines on this right there. And what I'm totally gonna do is I'm gonna, you know, I could say, I've said this term a lot, stickerify, is I'm gonna thicken up the outer lines on everything just a bit to give it kind of like a thicker look on the outside. So down here, I'm gonna thicken this up, curve up. Curve right there, right here, right here. Right there. Let me kind of even like fix that line right there. Whew. Oh yeah, forgot the candy cane. And that's it, by the way. Thank you so much for viewing this. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the lesson. Yeah, there's a lot of fun stuff you can do on the channel. I'm very excited. If you ever want to reach out to me, hit me up in the comments section. Okay, when you hit me up in the comments, I'll reply to every single post. Really, really simple stuff. We're gonna add like a tiny bit of color here, just at the very end, real quick. Gonna go with a red marker right here to that candy cane, and go. Just flat color the hat right here. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to really add anything else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate the watch. Stay positive, guys, and really, you know, stick with it. If you are having trouble drawing, let me know. And then maybe I can give you some advice. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And share this with a friend, by the way, if you do decide you like it. Merry Christmas.